You gotta get the top ones.
I like the sparkly thing right
This is what she already did, people. But now she's going, Casey, you gotta get the top up top. What are you? I thought you were skinny. You're not being very flexible right now.
Skinny Marie. You're not being very cat-like.
If you want Godmother, you better get that stuff up there.
Work it out, sister. Work it out.
Please don't crack your head open. This doesn't look like a Godmother to me. There it is.
Oh, wow.
That's a Godmother right there. Oh, that's Godmother City right there. That is the Godmother of my future kid, if I've ever seen it. Lila, you don't need to see this. Although you've probably seen it a million times.
I think this is a new one.
This is a new one? Oh my god. Alright, Spider-Woman. Holy crap. Alright, that's good. You win. You win.
You better have this all picked up by the time your mother gets here tomorrow.
What are you doing?
She's gonna tell you she wants a piece of the front door back.
Mom's gonna kill you. Casey, if you swear to God, if you crack your head open. This is skin.
See, that is no way to treat a Viking.
Oh, no. Yep. I can't wait to sell this video in 40 years to people that are... Lila! What's going on? What happened? Lila, did you do that? Look what she did.
Carrie, look what Lila did.
Oh, she cared. Alright, let's go play. Time to play. Time to play.
Yeah, Carrie. Lila, bring those in there.
That was classic.